Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel, Dami Dimension. My name is Dami. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a pillow, an envelope pillow, which you can use as a throw pillow on your couch, on your bed, on, whichever way you choose to use this. That's what we are going to be making today. I'm going to be providing a link to this really gorgeous print in the description box. If you want to get it, go ahead and check the description box for the link. All right, and just to mention that this video is sponsored by Skillshare, so as we proceed, I'm going to be telling you about them in the video. So I have my fabric cut out right here. We are making a 16-inch by 16-inch pillow, okay, and I have cut out a piece of fabric which is 17 inches by 17 inches. I added 1 inch each on both the length and the breadth, just because I need that for my sewing allowance. All right, so let's say you are making a 24 inches by 24 inches pillow, then you cut out a 25 by 25, so you can get the half inch as sewing allowance for the joining. Okay, so whatever size of pillow you are making should determine the size that you cut out at this point. All right, it's pretty simple and straightforward, guys. So this is going to be for the front, and the back, which is going to be the envelope where the opening is going to be, it's in 2 pieces, and the length is the same as that of the front, which is 17, and the width I made it 10. The width of these 2 pieces should still depend on what you want. If you want your overlap to really overlap, then you should make it more than 10. All right, so to start sewing, first I'm going to be hemming this part right here, this 2 parts. So I'll fold it twice and I am going to be stitching it down. If you overlock yours, you can fold it just once. I will repeat the same thing to this side as well. Fold it twice and hem. All right, so once I was done doing that, this is what I have. And it's looking like this. So I will bring in my front now. I have the right side facing up. Then I'll place this one on top of it, right sides facing each other. All right. So I'll place it on top of each other like this. As you can see, my overlap, this is how much overlap I have. I recommend you have more than 10 inches. That way your pillow will really overlap and cover up much. So once you're done doing that, go ahead and stitch it down all around like this. Okay, so now that I'm done stitching it down, this is what I have, and I'm going to quickly talk about Skillshare, which is the sponsor of today's video.
Today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning platform where millions of creative minds like you and me come together to learn new things on different topics to become more creative. There are thousands of lessons on Skillshare, topics that covers illustration, fashion design, photography, or whether you want to learn video editing, video making, art, graphic design, or maybe you want to learn about YouTube, how to start your own YouTube channel and be successful. There are lessons on how to grow on Instagram, how to grow on social media. There are lessons on marketing, craft, productivity. Did I just say marketing? I'm sure that is communicating to someone already. This was actually what captivated me on Skillshare. I was taking a particular lesson by Gary. And guys, that lesson literally took me back to my drawing table, because I was able to get valuable tips that can help me to grow my online business despite the competition that is going on today. You can apply the knowledge in your fashion business as well. What makes this difference is the fact that it's focused solely on learning. That means there are not going to be ads bothering you. Despite the numerous things you can learn on Skillshare, it is affordable.
And guess what, guys? The first 1,000 people to use the link in the description box is going to get 1 month free trial to Skillshare. If I were you, I won't let this opportunity pass me by. So head on to the description box and grab yourself the free trial opportunity. All right, so now that I finished that stitch, then it looks like this, and I'm going to be flipping it to the right side. Okay. So after flipping that to the right side, this is what I have. As you can see, that overlap again, like I said, I recommend you have your width more than 10 inches so you don't have any issue at all, basically. So here is the pillow I'm going to be putting in. So just go ahead and put in your pillow. This is pretty quick and sweet project, something that can, change the entire look of your apartment or your living room, whatever, depending on what fabric and how you choose to spice up your space. Okay, so this is how I use mine. As you can see, looking really nice on my bed. I hope you like this video. If you do, Please leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel in case you haven't, and let me know your comment down below. I hope I see you in my next video. Bye. Please click on that next video and watch. Let's meet there. Bye.
Empty hearts and